If you're over 50, this one daily walk habit can change your life. Hi, I'm Emily, a former emergency room nurse, and after years of caring for patients, I've seen how one simple habit can make the biggest difference in healthy aging, and that is walking. The people who keep walking stay stronger, recover faster, and remain independent much, much longer. But here's the part that most people don't realize. You don't need intense workouts to see real and lasting changes. In this video, I'll show you how just 10 minutes a day can support your heart, your joints, your energy levels, mobility, and so much more. Let's start with what walking actually does for your heart. One of the biggest benefits of walking, especially after 50, is improved circulation and cardiovascular health. Every step helps get your blood flowing, supports your blood pressure, and strengthens your heart muscle over time. Research consistently shows that regular walking can lower your risk of heart disease, stroke, high blood pressure, and much more. And what I love about walking is it's actually very gentle on your body, and you don't need to push yourself to exhaustion to see the actual benefits. Just a steady, brisk walk each day can make a huge difference. Sometimes people think if they're not doing a hard workout, it doesn't actually count, and that's simply not true. Walking is one of the best forms of movement for long-term heart health. And I'll leave links to all the studies and medical research I've referenced down below in the description so that you can read more. And before we move on, if you want simple, realistic wellness tips, I do send out a weekly newsletter to help support you in your health journey, and I'll leave that link down below as well. The next reason I love daily walking, especially after 50, is what it does for your energy and your blood sugar. When you walk, your muscles use glucose or sugar for fuel. And that means even a short walk, maybe just 5 to 10 minutes after a meal, can support your body's ability to process sugar more effectively. And this is especially helpful, especially if you notice feeling sluggish after eating or having an afternoon energy crash. Even 10 minutes after lunch or dinner can stabilize your glucose. I often tell people that walking after meals is one of the simplest health habits that you can start today. It supports healthy aging from the inside out. And over time, that steady daily movement keeps your energy levels more stable throughout the entire day. But honestly, the reason I believe in walking so deeply goes well beyond the research. It's personal for me. When I was in my early 30s, I fell down a flight of stairs where I fractured my pelvis, I broke my back and my arms in several places, and walking became my lifeline. At first, it wasn't some long walk outside. It was literally just one lap around my kitchen table. That was it, one slow lap. And I remember realizing how important those tiny steps mattered to me. Every single day, that small walk gave me hope, and it reminded me that healing is possible. Over time, one lap became two, two became five, five became 10. Eventually, walking became the thing that helped me rebuild my strength, my confidence, and my independence. So when I tell you how important and powerful walking is, it's not that I'm just saying it as a nurse. I'm saying it as a person who actually lived this. Sometimes the smallest steps really do create the biggest and lasting change. One of the biggest reasons walking matters so much after 50 is to preserve your mobility and your independence. Walking helps strengthen the muscles that support your body, your hips, your knees, your core, all the joints in the body. And it also helps keep the joints moving, reduce stiffness, and reduce pain. Many people worry that movement's going to hurt their joints, but gentle, consistent movement actually helps them feel better. And perhaps most importantly, walking helps keep you doing the things that you love. Climbing stairs, traveling, playing with your grandchildren, getting through life daily with confidence and ease. And that's what healthy aging is all about. Not perfection, but freedom. Just as a reminder, if you're enjoying this video and would like to stay connected with me, please sign up for my weekly newsletter in the links below. Finally, walking supports your mind, your mood, and your stress levels. Sometimes a daily walk is just as important for your mind as it is for your body. It helps clear out mental fog. It reduces your stress. It improves your sleep habits. And it gives you that feeling that you've done something good for your body today. And here's the most important part. It does not need to be perfect. Just a 10-minute walk truly can make a big difference. Walking inside your home counts, maybe a short walk outside. Consistency matters so much more than perfection, and your body responds to what you do regularly. So if you're over 50 and looking for one simple habit to stay active, strong, and independent, start with a daily walk. Start where you are. Even just 10 minutes is enough. And I'd love to know in the comments, how many minutes are you going to walk today? So now let's put what we've learned into action. Join me here in this 10-minute indoor walk to support healthy blood sugar after meals, and let's keep your body moving. I'll see you in the next video.